In the heart of ancient China, where the Yangtze River winds like a serpent through lush valleys, the air is thick with the scent of impending war. The sun rises over the imperial city, casting golden rays upon the palaces and the soldiers preparing for battle. At the center of this turmoil stands General Zhao, a brilliant strategist known for his unwavering courage. With the threat of the invading Xiongnu tribes looming, Zhao must gather his forces and forge alliances, knowing that the fate of the empire rests on his shoulders. As Zhao rallies his troops, whispers of betrayal echo from the ranks. A trusted advisor, swayed by golden promises, inspires me. The stakes rise as the very foundation of loyalty is tested amidst the chaos of war. In the climax of battle, as arrows darken the sky, Zhao discovers the treachery and confronts the traitor. With the lives of thousands at stake, he must choose between vengeance and the greater good of the empire, highlighting the cruel twists of fate and war. In the aftermath, the empire is forever changed. Though victory is claimed, the cost is steep, a lesson learned that loyalty is as fragile as the peace between empires. Zhao, now a legend, walks the blood-soaked fields, knowing that true strength lies not just in power, but in unity.